Hello and welcome to today's video. If you're using the Threads app on your Android phone and want to improve accessibility or just see image descriptions, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to enable the option to show alt text in just a few simple steps. Open the Threads app on your Android phone. Tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right. Then tap the two horizontal lines at the top right corner to open the Settings menu. After that, scroll down the list of options until you find Accessibility. Tap on I. Finally, look for the setting labeled Show Alt Text. Toggle the switch to turn this feature on. This will now allow you to view alternative text descriptions for images when they are available. That's it. You've successfully enabled alt text in the Threads app on your Android phone. This feature can help make your experience more informative and accessible. Thanks for watching.